Thanks for your interest in International Tax Course videos. If you'd like to purchase the entire course, click the link in the description. If you're watching this on mobile, you can click the downward arrow here and it will show you the link to purchase the entire course. Let's now consider Article 9, which basically deals with the concept of associated enterprise. Now, this concept of associated enterprise is something which is relevant in a transfer pricing context, but the idea behind identifying these kind of enterprise is to see whether due taxes have actually been paid to various countries or not. Let me give you a small example. Suppose there's a family consisting of father, mother, brother, and sister. In all likelihood, it is possible that when this family interacts with the neighbor, the way in which they interact will be different vis-a-vis the way in which the father may be interacting with the daughter, or the way in a brother might be interacting with the sister, right? If in the neighbor also there are same aged people, the interaction between the male and the male here, or the female and the female here, will be different. Why? Because they are bound together by a common bond, which is family. Applying this logic to companies, if there is a company which is the parent, right, which is just like a father in this case, and a brother or a son, which this parent has, right? Or maybe there's another child that this parent has, which is, let's call a sister subsidiary. The way these may interact with each other is going to be different vis-a-vis the way they interact with some independent company. Now, how is it even related to tax? The way it is related to tax is that whenever these two people or a set of people are related in a manner that they are likely to behave in a manner in which independent people would not work, right? And thereby, by these interaction, they might be working around to save taxes. The concept of associated enterprise kicks in. What this concept basically intends to do is that in case of dealings with these kind of people or these kind of enterprise, the transactions are looked at more carefully to identify whether they are actually trying to reduce their profits or increase their expenses, thereby causing a loss of revenue to one of the countries. For this purpose, it's very important that one should understand what is an associated enterprise, because the transfer pricing rules or some of the other tax rules are going to get kicked in only once these enterprise become associated enterprise.